1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 1 trillion, 1 quadrillion, 1 quintillion, 1 sextillion, 1 septillion, 1 octillion, 1 novillion, 1 decillion, 10 decillion, 100 decillion, 1 undecillion, 10 undecillion, 100 undecillion, 1 duodecillion, 1 tridecillion, 1 bigentillion, 52 factorial, Google, 1 trigentillion, Google, 73 factorial, 75 factorial, Shannon number, 1 centillion, 2 power of 1024 minus 1, 189 factorial, 197 factorial, Faxo, 1 ducentillion, 1 trucentillion, 1 million, 1 million, Hitchhiker's number, micrillion, largest known prime number, largest known perfect number, fast growing hierarchy omega 3, trilog, Balium's number, bacillion, 3 tetrated by 4, femtillion, abillion, zepillion, yoctillion, SSGC2, rodillion, kipillion, icosillion, triacantillion, Googleplex, Google Bang, 4 tetrated by 4, Minecraftplex, Minecraft Ultimate, hectillion, kilofaxo, smallest known Goliath number, kilillion, megillion, gigillion, decalog, trillion, batillion, extillion, zetillion, yotillion, zenillion, decillion, tenbillion, first SKU's number, catalog, astillion, lemillion, multillion, gigafaxo, decker, icosilog, trianalog, teranalog, penanalog, octanalog, giggle, mega, binary 2-qual, tri, Google stack, triataxis, tetrataxis, fast-growing hierarchy omega 4, pentataxis, hexataxis, heptataxis, octataxis, entataxis, decataxis, gaggle, Folkman's number, grail, triopataxis, tetrapataxis, pentapataxis, decapataxis, giggle, triaxaxis, tetraxaxis, pentaxaxis, decaxaxis, jiggle, triaptaxis, decaaptaxis, goggle, trioctaxis, decaloctaxis, gaggle, decanaxis, decataxis, tridecal, bugle, Moser, Graham Grayo, trigram, golden Grayo, little Graham, Graham's number, 3 Graham mutated by 3, Coperal, Forkle, fast-growing hierarchy phi 1, cumulus, tree 3, G33, tree 4, tree 5, tree 33, tree 333, SSGC 2.5, SSGC 3, SSGC 4, SSGC 5, SSGC SSGC 3, BH3, Big Bua, Big Haas, Bukuwaha, Big, Goshamity, Mimimilakua, Mimimilakua Oompa, Tritar, Unintar, Darantar, Loader's number, Xi function million, Fish number 4, Ryo's number, Fish number 7, Bigfoot, Little Bigeddon, Sasquatch, Large number garden number, Oblivion, Utter Oblivion, Zender's number, Ameriplexian, Sunium's number, 1 divided by 0, Zender's goddess number, Ronin's number, Infinity, Infinity plus 1, Infinity plus 2, Infinity plus 3, Infinity plus 4, Infinity plus 5, Infinity plus 10, Infinity plus 100, Infinity times 1.5, Infinity times 2, Infinity times 3, Infinity times 3 plus 1, Infinity squared, Infinity cubed, Infinity power of infinity, all at null, Omega, Omega plus 1, Omega plus 2, Omega times 2, Omega times 3, Omega squared, Omega cubed, Omega to the Omega, Omega tetrated by 3, Epsilon naught, Epsilon 1, Epsilon 2, Epsilon Omega, Epsilon Epsilon naught, Zeta naught, Zeta 1, Zeta Zeta naught, Eta naught, Phi 4, Phi 5, Phi Omega, Pfefferman Schuh ordinal, Ackermann ordinal, small Veblen ordinal, large Veblen ordinal, Bachmann Howard ordinal, Tickety Pfefferman Buchholz ordinal, Omega fixed point, Omega 1 of chess, Church Claney ordinal, first uncountable ordinal, Aleph 1, Aleph Omega, reciprocal of infinitesimal, nullity, Beth null, inaccessible cardinal, Malo cardinal, weakly compact cardinal, rank into rank cardinal, Keegans and Jondinal, Rear Jondinal, Shuzi Henku Jondinal, Boshi Shishu Jondinal, Lenjao Shen Swo Jondinal, Wo Yao Kai Din Shui Jondinal, Shizi Shizui Hada Jondinal, Shisu Wu Jiami Jong to Shizi Jondinal, Ino Oi Rondinal, Koshokyo Fusho Rondinal, Shikuna Studio O Street Rondinal, Zaiwan and Jigen Rondinal, aka Wasagi Shansu Rondinal, Buluki Rondinal, the large number, the larger number, the mega large number 2, the ultimately large number 3, the ultimately large number plus infinity, the ultimately large number plus epsilon naught, the ultimately large number times 4, unlimited, double unlimited, HTTP 404, nothing, question mark, $1, Xander's cardinal, the god of the Ronin functions, absolute infinity,
absolute infinity plus 1, absolute infinity plus infinity, absolute infinity times 2, absolute infinity times 3, absolute infinity squared, absolute infinity cubed, tree absolute infinity, absolute Ronin, repeating sequence of Ronin's number, absolute infinity factorial, absolute infinity 2 factorial, omega refixed point, omega cured Google, omega cured Googleplex, omega cured Googleplexian, 1x, infinity x, 1 to the power of x 1x, absolute every number, transfinity, transfinity plus 1, transfinity plus 1x, rebirth 1 minus 1, rebirth 1, rebirth 2, rebirth 3, rebirth 4, rebirth 5, rebirth 6, rebirth 7, rebirth 8, rebirth 9, rebirth 10, Saki infinity, rebirth 102, rebirth infinity plus 1, rebirth absolute infinity, court, primed, court, court primed, court primed, once primed, dawns, trons, quants, bonds, pile, pile ones, heap, absolute plexian, nano unit, runelium, wavy affinity fixed point, corrupted M&M ball, hecto tree 3, hecto tree 4, hecto tree 3, hecto SSCG 3, hecto SSCG 4, hecto SSCG 3, hector Ego's number, the utter buffoonery number, hector Xander's number, hector Ronin's number, semicubic finity,
Cubic finity, hypercubic finity, supercubic finity, Petacube Infinity. Decacube Infinity. Tribig Infinity. Ronan Cube Infinity. Fast growing mechanism alpha 1. Repeated zero sequence of fast growing mechanism alpha 1. Window finity. Limite. No limite.
Copper unit. Indescribable finity. Infinite lie describable finity. Groove alien. Groove finity. Yoil state leaf key unit. Yoil state leaf key unit plus 0. Microsoft finity. Ta finity. Android finity. Vachirasubic Nike Walk finity. Largest known one aerophobic number. Gato. True wave finity. Wafu cardinal. Wafu cardinal power of 1000. Wafu cardinal power of 1 million. Wafu cardinal tetrated 2. Flag E. False blue 1. Cyan 1. Cyanide. Mangentine. Yellowy. Genkai. Kono Genkai. Kono Honto no Genkai. Yocto Yoil state leaf key unit. Planet Goo. Nanofinity. Biswitch finity. Absolute eternity. Absolute among us. Big Ufinity. Big Ufiniplex. Even greater Big Hoss. Big Ross. Great Big Ross. Absolute Trails. January Bass Milton's number. Blueberry infected 1.
Hyperrebirth 1. Hyperrebirth 1 plus 1. Hyperrebirth 1 plus 2. Hyperrebirth 1 plus rebirth 1. Hyperrebirth 2. Hyperrebirth 3. Hyperrebirth 4. Hyperrebirth rebirth 1. The fearless ending. Ryo's number 6 point. Graham's number 6 point. Xander's number 6 point. Roman's number 6 point. What's that? You get the idea.
And infinity. And infinity plus 1. And infinity plus kappa is 3 points by infinity. Parker redacted number. The rendered number finity. The massive number. Fireball game infinity. A familiar game. Gita finity fixed point. Eternal nets finity.
Illusional 1. Illusional 1 plus 1. Plan X finity. The truth spot. Infinite limit breaking number. Infinite limit breaking number. 2K14 finity. 2K25 finity. 2K26 finity. Infinity. What has happened in the background?
Friday for Arrowfinity, Angel Corefinity, Anime Corefinity, Arcade Corefinity, Baby Corefinity, Clean Corefinity,
Cyber Corefinity, Dream Corefinity, Kid Corefinity, Numberblock Corefinity, Cool Corefinity, Robot Corefinity, Scene Corefinity, Urban Corefinity, K-Pop Finity. Dream of the Altugafinity, Max Finity 6 points, Fluxy Hammerlow Finity, Dirty 2 Hammer Finity, Mr. Beast Finity, and Day2025 Finity, YouTube Finity, Minimal Finity, Navigation Finity, Nina Finity.
Ensinavit Minecraft Finity. Ensinavit Minecraft Finity Teams 2. Ensinavit Minecraft Finity Square. Ensinavit Minecraft Finity Cubet.
Halloween number. Tracker number 2 times. VB skip. Forest number. Cookies. Double cookies. Cookies squared. Halloween number of all time. Capture SFX. Balance over.
the number that latent, the number that latent plus 1, hoop number, infinity, power at 0, beta at 0, pentat at 0, hexat at 0, heptat at 0, octat at 0, eneatat at 0, decatat at 0, centat at 0, myriad at 0, cogulatat at 0, circulatat at 0, expand at 0, terpetat at 0, 0 power of tetra at 0, 0 power of pentat at 0, 0 tetra at y power at 0, terpentat at 0, power 0, terhexat at 0, Elohim's number finity.
Meta number. C number. This. Globe affinity. Globe affinity times 2. Globe affinity square. Globe affinity flex. Globe affinity flex here. Plus 1. Between plus 1 and great reset 1.
Great reset 1. Great reset 2. Great reset 3. Great reset 4. Great reset 5. Great reset 10. Great reset 100. Double great reset 1. Triple great reset 1. Triangular double rebirth 1. Triangular hyper rebirth 1. Triangular KSA 3.5 infinity. Rebirth great reset 1. Repeated great reset sequence of 1.
90 million. Netflix. Netflix 2. Netflix 3. An ordinary game called Hamster Ball. Cryofinity. Do a cryofinity. Warning, that contains base set. I'm also we can find Rodolfo and base block spans or sets. Back to wall. Binary finity. Squared soda finity. Cube soda finity. Binary soda finity. Ternary soda finity. Quaternary soda finity. Quinary soda finity. Hexamal soda finity. Octal soda finity. Nonary soda finity. D soda finity minus 1. D soda finity. D soda finity plus 1. DG soda finity. G soda finity. Between D soda finity and no finity. No finity. Yes finity. Common 18 finity. Cosmos finity. Supermean Guardian 4. Supermean Guardian 4 cubed. The first Russian cat. The second Russian cat. The third Russian cat. Pure nothingness. Recursive rebirth 1. Recursive rebirth 2. More recursive rebirth 1. Even more recursive rebirth 1.
Okay, it's not somewhere under again. All infinity. All infinity plus cosmos infinity. The mighty net infinity. The nothing. No, we are not going to leave for 69,420. Anyway, tomorrow infinity. Say 2026. Polygon on infinity. Triangular great reset 1. No infinity. Ten infinity. Ten infinity plus no infinity. Ten infinity plus no infinity plus cosmos infinity. Ten infinity plus no infinity plus cosmos infinity plus b soda infinity. Ten infinity plus no infinity plus cosmos infinity plus b soda infinity plus great reset 1. Triangular b soda infinity. triangular test of affinity.
Demon 16! Demon 16!
Repeat the sequence of
Demon 16!
packet logo 11. Per infinity.
Blueberry Finity. Greenberry Finity. Glitch Finity Omega fixed point. 7 Deck Finity. Reproud 2. Netflix. Another Somewhere Under. Darn it. The What the Fuck Guy. The They Banned Me for Screaming Guy. Class Kichu Finity. Spy Null. Spy 1. Spy Null. 1 Your fixed point. The final reach. First actual rebirth of 1. First actual rebirth of 1 plus 1. First actual rebirth of 1 plus rebirth 1. First actual rebirth of 2. First actual rebirth of 3.
Slaven!
Sue.
Slaven!
Repeated sequence of Sue.
Slaven!
First actual rebirth of 4. First actual rebirth of 5. First actual rebirth of 6. First actual rebirth of 7. First actual rebirth of 8. First actual rebirth of 9. First actual rebirth of 10. First actual rebirth of 100. Scorefinity. Scorefinity squared. That forgotten number of episode 12, part 2. The number before Spy Sodafinity.
Festes my number. Essica Fiti. Green Heart Fiti. Numberblocks face when Green Heart Fiti. Flashing on plus 1. Flashing 2. Flashing 5. Energetic class station coefficient. Occasion Fiti. Okay, we used to be in the first class. Let me fix better. There we go. Anyway. To mega bonus to escalate. Procession witness. This 75 multiverse. The Cleaner. The Super Cleaner. Grande Bootstein. Chat só na União Fiti. Super. Todos juntos, cara. Todos juntos, cara. Plazo 2026. Ninja juntos, cara. Camantes de bem Fiti. I can't think of one numbers Fiti. Absolutely who cares Fiti. Absolutely who cares Fiti. Talk to the Fiti. The creator of fictional cosmology numbers.
Top 4 Finity. The number is 8. Cosmos Finity fixed point. Over Finity. Is running 1. Arrow finite 1. And non-number is 6. C. That sound is unable to be identified as 9. Haskell 2. B plus sort of Finity. B plus sort of Finity. B sort of Finity. Haskell 4. The happy comet. The foreign chunk. The foreign chunk with the flag. The arrow chunk. 3D1.
Nickelodeon 2. Nickelodeon 3. September 2026. The Bioning.cell. Third dimension of 1. Third dimension of 1 plus the nature and the language. Third dimension of 2. Third dimension of 3. Third dimension of Rebirth 1. Humanized Ron Joex. Netflix 2. Fitting sequence of Netflix. Fitting sequence of Netflix plus 1. Rebirth Ron Joex. Matrifinity. Super Matrifinity. Second Matrifinity. Double Matrifinity. Backroom level 0. 1 in Mulari. I guess. Stuck in a quicksand function of 1. Stuck in a quicksand function of 2. Stuck in a quicksand function of 10. Roll next to the power of Bezos Infinity. Floor. So repeating floor. One exclamation point on one last move on the J1. 1 foot. 1 side. $1. More like $1. 1%. 1%. 1 apostrophe. 1 left parenthesis. 1 right parenthesis. 1 asterisk. 1 plus. Even more like 1 plus. Anti-reverse Infinity.
After anti-rebirth Finity. Ronan Joex to the power of G Soda Finity. Humanized Ronan Joex is literally dead, so don't blame me. Xander's ultimate number. Ronan's ultimate number. Ronan's ultimate number squared. Reality stuck in quicksand function of 1. Stuck in soap quicksand function of 1, or else sinking in soap pit function of 1. The third rebirth tree. Double fish number of infinity. That yeah, no complaints so far, idiot. Stuck in tar function of 1. Stuck in tar function of rebirth 1. Repeating rebirth sequence of Ronan Joex.
Forgotten Infinity. The Multi Crossed. Triangular Spy 2026. Exit Factor 3. Exit Factor 5. F782049's number. Office number. True Factor Logo 11. True Factor Logo 11 plus Ronan Joex. Wait, is it a lock wait on a second, is this 2 teenagers? Triangular Factor Logo 11. Ronan's ultimate number 6 point. Ronan's ultimate number 6 point plus Ronan's ultimate number.
Quicksand 1. Quickmode 1. Quickmode Reverse 1. Wet-Cement 1. Klinkpingsline 1. Choke Quicksand 1. Choke Quicksand 1 plus Quicksand 1. Besoda Quicksand 1. Volcano 1. 2 Quicksand 1. 2 Quicksand 2 2026. Ronan Quicksand 1. Ronan Quickmode 1. Blue Soap Quicksand 1. Besoda Quicksand 1. Klinkping Clay 1. Luke 1. Claymat 1. Galaxy Aaron Quicksand 1. Black Hole Quicksand 1. Glitch Quicksand 1. Custom Quicksand 1. Besoda Affinity.exe. Quickmode Affinity.
The real blue one. The real blue one plus one. The real blue one plus rebirth one. Canada Affinity. The real blue spy 2026. Recursive backer logo 11. Cole creates 2K. Rebirth Cole creates 2K. Ticket Affinity. Humanized Ticket Affinity. Double Super Rebirth 1. Triple Super Rebirth 1. Quadruple Super Rebirth 1. Repeated sequence of Super Rebirth 1. PBS Nickelodeon. Reverse Nickelodeon. First multiverse reverse 1. First multiverse reverse 1 plus 1. TV Gibbs. TV Gibbs 2. TV Gibbs 3. Click here the descriptive fix and function of 1. First multiverse reverse 2. First multiverse reverse 3. Via the descriptive fix and function of humanized phonetics. Reverse Nickelodeon 2008. Reverse Nickelodeon 2009. The entire multiverse. First multiverse reverse the mighty infinity. Something please 3. Something the whole number. Repeating something please equals 3. Super Spy 2026 squared. Super Spy 2026 squared plus Spy 2026. Super Spy 2026. Super Run joke number. Corrected 1. Corrected 4. That number is never running. Multiversal factorial of 3. Spell Affinity. Spell Infinity. Double Super Spy 1. Double Super Spy 2. Triple Super Spy 1. Repeated Super Reverse sequence of 1. Repeated Super Spy sequence of 1. BR Sub Affinity. BR Sub Affinity plus B Sub Affinity.
Plastic superfelici slegante. Vedete sazonone. Vedete sazonone basta sazonone. E per indipendente questo plastic superfelici. Passiamo a un deposito fattoriale a Venice Felici. Sofisticapito. Sofisticapito plus 1. Sofisticapito spaghetti che G6. Overview 2. Overview 3. Per gli esercizi felici. Le serie new complete sono fatti batti spariti. E piaci difficili sequenze of felici. Reading for stable.
plus 3%, 10% asterisk and NHFDA.
Omnifish. Omnifish plus we. Retriever. Retriever.
Spawner. Spawner plus 1. Spawner plus 2. Positive spawner. Positive spawner. Beyond spawner.